Mm. Welcome to Midnight Rambles. Mindless thoughts. Jitter thoughts. Thoughtless time. Thoughtless time. If you want to be soothed with my soothing, hopefully soothing It just means you're more helpless. I get cranky when I'm sleepy. I'm a bit cranky right now. But that's not because I'm sleeping. It's because I figured it's picked out games especially at a mic. You know. Fuck you! Suck my dick. Sorry, there's an ad. Fuck this shit. Oh, you stupid dick. There's 6 second ads. That won't happen again. Don't worry. Listen to my normal vibes. I'm sorry. I'm very skilled at doing that. It sounds like One Piece game. Is this a podcast? No. By myself. I can't sing. I'm sorry. And that sucks so much. Thank you so much. ridiculous. I sound like a god. Yeah, not Blood of Most High. But anytime I sound like a goofball. Arena. Ruffle back dick stagnant way. That's what the fuck. I love jazz. I know you love jazz. Jazz is just soothing. It's simple. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to bring your mind to a soothing crawl while you don't worry about anything. Think of death. No, not to me. Not with me. Together, we are free from all the things that the day brings. The night walkers. The sleep flat. The stupid warriors. I just so many stupid kids when it's so fucking annoying. Yeah, I did get angry. You can't say anything back. It's so stupid. It's stubborn too. It's like fighting a brick wall. Your hands are gonna get hurt. You're not gonna really do anything to it. Unless you're a muscle man, but you're gonna be scratching. I'm not a muscle man. If you can't tell. Folks. I just thought of it. Did you think of it? If you're under the age of 2, probably did. Would they? Before. When do you learn to speak? Doesn't matter. Sorry. Can you bring it on? Just make it a little bit louder. Free entertainment. Kinda getting sleepy. I have this thing I like to do with my fingers. You can try it if you're still awake. Try to dance with your fingers. Think of all the popular dances you know and copy with your fingers. Makes you feel like an actual artist. Finger dancing. And I call it finger coordination. Finger coordination. Talking about fingers. Said finger coordination. Finger coordination. Fingernails. Finger coordination. Finger coordination. Talking about fingers. I said finger coordination. Finger coordination. Bet you wanted to punch me. I can't get the voice right. You never copy a music. Your voice is raspy. You can never copy music. Your voice is raspy. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Raspy voice doesn't do another brother do. Great Scott. That's not the coolest thing. Since we're talking about the night stuff, why don't we talk about my dream? Very eventful, you'd say. Very eventful. Talk fell asleep. This is all black until about for me seconds. I started seeing things. Started seeing so much things in a different room. Me being more bold, more angry, fuck you! Hold up. Stupid ass. Skip. Don't worry. Taka. Okay. Anyway. So basically, I'm not that type of person. I was being a dick to everyone. They loved it. I thought it was okay. And I felt weird too. Even though there's a big void in my stomach, in my heart, I couldn't feel good about what I was doing, but I just kept doing it because I smiled for some reason. I don't know, it's confusing. Well, I was going down the steps with a bike for some reason, and then this guy, like a tiny little toddler, rich guy, bring me downstairs. There's this security guard right next to him in a chair. Drinking coffee. We'll be bored later. I was like, fuck you. Who the fuck do you think you are? I'm not taking you down these goddamn steps. You better pay me $20 fucking dollars. And I was like, yeah, I can do anything, man. I'm fucking rich. I'm so strong. I thought I was so strong at the time. Those are my own dream. I actually understood that I was real, but I couldn't do anything because I couldn't turn my head in that direction. And then the guy who just went silent, and the other goes, "What the fuck?" Like the security guard was like, "What the fuck?" I kept speaking, rambling about stupid shit. They're like, $20, that's fucking outrageous. And then the kid started talking like a oh my gosh, I'm not paying you $20. And he just got this bodyguard that came out of nowhere. He just with a gun, and I was like, I'm probably gonna like you. I'm probably gonna like you, but you're just such a dick. Probably shot me. Fucking shot me. It was bullshit. I woke up and I was sweating bricks. It was still night, but it was crazy. I went back to sleep and had a nightmare. Okay, it was actually 6, so I had to go to sleep. Come on. Yeah, the dream ended like that. And that taught me a valuable lesson. Don't be a dick. That's how I was supposed to be. Joel spoke his mind, saying anything he wanted at any time out running on screens. I watched him again, right? Well, I have a lot of fun drinking about the most favorite thing. It's terrible. I mean, god awful. Basically, I fell asleep. Very confusing. I woke up in my own house, very big, I guess you would say, relatively good house, and I was just downstairs in the kitchen, dining room. I was in the living room first, and then we went to the dining room and into the backyard and to see what was going on, because I just felt a tingle on my back. And I looked out the window and I saw this mannequin-like thing. That just, I assumed that it was that SCP, Eternal Blue, it comes to get you. But it looked kind of cool, so couldn't be that. Cool guy. Dick. I can show you a picture. I'm not gonna do that because I'm already in the spot. I can show you a picture. He was cool. But I looked away because I wanted to test it, and he turned right to me. I was shitting bricks. And then, out of nowhere, it turned to a third person view of me, with a guy still there, different guy. A guy with a white hood and a weird face that I think I saw. Very weird. He was chasing a white guy for some reason. I guess that was the guy. And we were like chasing him. He ate him. He caught him and ate him. The guy in the white suit, he caught him and ate him. That was fucking ridiculous. Oh my gosh. And then I closed the door because for some reason I had the door open. I don't know why. The stupidest thing I ever thought of. And then he tried to pry the door open. The guy with the white hood and stuff. He tried to pry the door open with other things, other sculptures. So I assumed it was a zombie apocalypse. So that's what I imagined that. But god damn, holy shit, ridiculous. Oh my gosh, I catch saying it. I don't know why. Anyway, it was for some reason the girl from Black Girl, the baby, gave up her baby. So we would win. So they took the baby in such a weird way, and like they took a baby. Probably not explaining this right. Okay, for context, before I went into the dining room, I was in the living room, and they just had a baby. Like the girl from Community, the black girl from Community, who had a baby in the show, also had a baby in my living room. And also, for context, Stan Smith was my father for some reason. Francine Smith was my mother. I don't understand. Anyway, yeah, they took the baby because some guy, I don't even know, a black guy, he just was about to get killed, and like, no, the girl was like, no, don't do that. And then gave her a baby. You can have this. And you're like, yes. The girl's like, okay. And like, they just exchanged, like she exchanged the baby to the guy, and I was flabbergasted. And like, that actually traumatized me. Like, what the fuck? To save us, she gave her baby that she just made. And I thought, oh, because it's like not even that alive, and he just backed off. So, and I was, how could I think something like that? That was flabbergasted. Stiggity stoppity. Ship. Fuck. Damn it, I can't speak real words. It was crazy, man. Anyway, so I closed the door and locked it. Hopefully he didn't get in, and then I went into a white void, and then I saw Stan Smith, my father, in this scenario, in my dream, and I was talking to him. He was literally just ignoring me while reading the newspaper. I said, the baby, the girl from Community's baby is gone. He was like, oh. I looked away. My mother pulled me into a door. Fuck you, piece of shit. Okay, sorry. I'm not telling you. I have mother, Francine Smith, of course not. Okay. No. That's something different. Mother pulled me through a door, and then I woke up voluntarily because I was just frightened at that point. It was horrible, absolutely god awful. Yeah. I kinda like sharing my dream. It kinda feels nice and liberating. If you guys want to share your dreams, I'll read it. Don't worry, I will read it. Share your dreams in the comments if you want. I will read it and then talk about it. I'll be fun. I have some nasty dreams. One more dream. There's one more. The one I remember vividly, even though it was like a year ago. How about you? Sorry. Anyway, last dream. Let's talk about it. What was this? It was so fun, though. I can't remember that one. I was playing with a monster. No, I fell asleep. Yeah, to start it off like that because it's way too convenient. I fell asleep, and then I woke up. I fell asleep. I stayed asleep in my dreams, and then I saw a monster. I was like in a dark area, a dark forest-like area, and I saw a monster. And I was like, huh. And then I walked towards it. It walked towards me. It was like a baby thing, like a baby ridiculous kind of thing. And I was exchange to me, him eating me alive. And I was in a bug form. Like bugs were eating me in my death, and he was staring at me in horror. I probably couldn't even do it. It was frightening. It was fair. I had chills. I did not sleep. I was so scared to sleep. Horror. Don't they suck? I know I can't drive. Anyway. Absolutely worst. Should have had out of all of them. Second to the it's just horrifying. See what happened. A worse effect. It hurt. It hurt. Do not come at me for my singing. I will always try to sing. I might suck at it, but I'm gonna do it because I like singing. Alright? I put myself down, but I don't mean it. I love myself. You do too. Don't think it, but you do. You wanna live, don't you? Live. Live how you want. It's not complicated, it's not hard. Don't let anyone say that you're suck. No, I don't actually have. Sometimes I always think too much actually. Got a big old mug. Every time this whole thing just goes. If you saw the big picture of me, sleepy baby. Me just doing absolutely nothing and then having a frown on my face. I was thinking too hard. Too much thinking even as a baby. My brain was developing. It developed more. I am smart. Kidding. Above average. Sorry, I thought I heard someone. That would suck because I have to cut back. It doesn't take. My house is usually always light because we have all night owls. I hate it. They're a fun thing, but sometimes I get I'm sorry, hopefully your parents are great. Good friends. Now I think it could be a good therapy. If you want to speak your mind to people, so much better. You can do it. Just open the camera even if no one listens. It's all good. Speak anything from the heart. Get all your thoughts out. Do it at night though. Do it at night. So don't stay up late. You should just get out here. Okay. Hopefully not as jarring. Oh, did I just start? Oof. Yeah, it's not a good transition. Getting used to those. Don't worry. All smart. I did not get robbed. Just my brother. We had a lovely. I didn't talk to him. We just went to his room. Conversation that I didn't have. I have to finish the sentence. Okay, shut up. Are you one? Think about it. What do you do when you want to finish things? Like homework, classwork, work. Mostly work, isn't it? I hate jobs. Too bad I'm not the count one. I don't really Mindless, thoughtless, 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 like kind of good. Anyone's gonna search that up. It's fine. No, it's not. I want people to watch. Well, listen to your dreams. Go read your dreams. I get confused with that. Listen to your dreams. No, yeah, listen. Record that bitch. Do it now. Now. Almost I don't predict thing. A racial slur. Don't worry. We see the big picture. If you're black right now, and you're in a white area, are you uncomfortable? I find myself sometimes knowing white people are all racist pieces of shit. But the history books they tell us, very, very hard to like trust them. Any of them could be. But like I have a gay teacher that doesn't correlate with his white. I have no problems with gay people, not gonna lie. I watch South Park. Even though they do a lot of stuff that actually do tell. It's crazy, right? Like everyone's saying they're like the bigoted, dirty, but they're not. Well, they are, but they're just making fun of other people that are a lot of them. That's what drugs actually. And then making fun of celebrities that just self-righteous dickheads who just assholes and the president. God damn. Talking about Trump, Biden. I don't want to say it, but maybe, just maybe, he's a peen. Think about it. He is so weird with kids. So weird with kids. I don't like it. I do not like it. I am uncomfortable every time. I do not want this to be the president we have. You can get away with it too. I'm not gonna freaking say conspiracy theories, but come on. You could get away with it. No one would care. Maybe he is a first lady. Is he married? I never even. I don't care. I don't know his name. Not his friend. Is he married? Can't be, man. He seems too old to be married. He seems like he's divorced. Or just the guy who's just been hanging on to you. Get it? Cause he touched that little boy in that interview or something. I don't know, giving him a hold. Started rubbing his shoulders, freaking creepy. I do not understand. Because it's not slander. I think Biden is better than the other guy. Trump, yeah. I do not want to get sniped by the FBI. I don't actually care that much. I just think it's funny. But there's I was in a long slump. Just like, yeah, I watched Rick and Morty. That's how it all started. The universe is nothing. Your life is meaningless. Oh no, you can't get that job. No one cares what you do. You're so meaning to life is worthless. That's stupid. If you think it's worthless, then you think it's worthless. Yo, I like that. That's one of my motivational speakers. Let's talk about dumb shit. I can't think of anything. I have to do stuff to actually think of stuff. I'm not really doing anything right now, but you ever heard of till this day. It might be my new favorite form of nightmares. This is why I want to do it. Doing enough? I'll be making 50. No, no one's watching that. No one's watching. I wouldn't watch that shit. And an hour is good enough. Maybe 2 hours if people like me. An hour and 30 minutes, see. Maximum. I'd never do it. I'd probably ramble for too much. Okay, story time. Again, I'm just gonna make up for it this time. Aliens. Aliens are real. You wanna know why? Anything outside of this planet is alien. So, dead bodies outside the world. There are dead bodies in space. Alien. There are aliens now. They have to come from another planet. Okay. The moon is an alien creature. It will come to smite us. How do you know it's back away from it, right? Damn, that's nuts. Go Rosa. Don't worry about that. Anyway, I don't care enough about aliens to talk about them. Okay, I gotta keep this interesting. Okay, socks. You're wearing socks right now. You sleep with socks. You sleep with socks. You look people. Nope, socks. That doesn't make sense. Why I do that? Anyone here, but I do. Forget what I do. Comment. That's fine. I can't think of it. Keep it entertained. It's not a podcast. I want to keep you soothing. Okay. A soothful mind, a soothful time, a soothful mate, a soothful dance, a soothful night. Night. Go to sleep. I'll infiltrate your dreams. Sad is a stupid plan. Listen to me speak. Have a nightmare. Okay, I woke up after I said that. I'm sorry. Okay, I did not say that actually. It's not me. It's my brother. Just hijacked my body for a second. Stole everything I had. Okay. Actual thing. Obsessing dream about knights and fallen orders and kingship and other anime-like things. Have a cool dream about the bad things and not getting chased by zombies, monsters, and aliens. Actually, I actually have a dream like that. That sounds fucking cool. I should go to sleep. I'm not that sleepy. My sleep rests in me. Get it? You get it? Sorry. Try to make it louder. Let's make it louder. I'll find the perfect volume once I re-listen to this a bit. The perfect volume. No one, I tell you, no one will say otherwise. Instead of putting my, life, I should put the trees. Yeah. Because it gives you this nostalgic feeling, don't you? A time that you will never see, the apocalypse. And the time that you will never see. A time that you can't see, ever. Not the apocalypse, but the past. Pictures of things that just aren't real. Phone booths. Long lost buildings, I guess. Not that one. A time when things were colder, actually. They were way colder. I don't live in Texas. Time where things seem it's a bit easier, you know. But it's getting harder again. It's going back to the times where we had to struggle and fight to survive. To be honest, things aren't looking too good for humanity. If things stay like this, we're about 20 years. That's a bit too far, too close, I mean. About 50 years maybe? Damn. Don't worry though. 'Cause I am here. Don't worry about a thing. And every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little is gonna be alright. Wanna know why? I said it already. You wanna know? Can you guess? Because I am here to make you smile, to make you laugh. That's all I really care about. Not to obsession, of course. That would make me depressed. Can make you smile if I'm sad. Can I? Enjoy life, my friend. Look at the grass, touch it, lick it, eat it. Eat the grass. Don't step on it though. I don't know. I'm not sure how fragile grass is, but I don't like stepping on it. I don't want to kill life every time I walk on stuff. Like stepping on a flower by accident, stepping on a dead tree. Oh, they're dead. It's like, fuck, it's dead tree leaves still feels like stepping on a corpse to me. I can't do it. I know everyone likes to crunch, I can't do it. It's not even like an optimism thing, I just don't like it. I feel like I'd go to hell if I did it. It doesn't feel right, though. Stepping on a dead tree lives. See, plants and animals, that's different, it's equal. See, the plants and animals, can't kill it just because you can't see it. How can we get a motto? Just something. I'm gonna forget. I have this to record it though. I'm honestly not gonna check. Let's see what time it should be. 60 minutes. Do the math with me. 25 plus 15. 60, right? 60. I'm really good at math. 40 minutes. 0, cause, okay, let me think of it. Like, it's 15, and then 15 plus 5 plus 5 in the thing, you get 0, and then carry 1, it's 40. If you add the 1 to the 15, just add the 2. Very confusing, but if you just use a paper, you'll get it. Don't do that though. Keep yourself asleep. Close your eyes when you listen to this, actually. That should be my first warning. I should set that at the beginning, but I didn't know I'd say this. Close your eyes. I'm very sleepy. Stay sleepy. Stay soothed. Piano, smooth jazz. That's the channel I'm listening to. 6.2k subscribers. Way more than I ever have. About 788,000 views. Big numbers. Big digits. 6-digit numbers. That's a lot. That's a lot. You're probably not gonna get as many. I'm still unknown. Could change. Could change. I'm doing this as a hobby, so it doesn't really matter though. just to get my thoughts out, just to make people laugh. I just don't know what to do. And because I take too long in editing and I don't have the passion to be like all the other guys out there, or at least I wanna just soothe myself, like right here. I listen to it sleeping, or like when I'm trying to watch something in silence. It's basically me just trying to, I don't know, just to keep your thoughts making nice. Make you, maybe you shouldn't be giggling too much. You might stand up to be boring and at least interesting enough to get your attention. Boring, no, it should be interesting. It keeps you sleepy. My voice should keep you sleepy. When I do this kind of voice, I'm not trying to sound like a baby. I'm trying to sound like a baby. Keep people cold saying I have a baby face or a baby voice. Bullshit. If you can listen to Big Pig, it's bullshit, man. Manly man's face. Big man. Strong. Tough. With a big, fat, humongous beard. Smooth. Thick. I just touch it just to touch it. Even though I don't feel it, I just touch it so much. Sometimes I think I feel a little bit of growth. Long, hard, stinky growth actually. It stiffens up and it becomes hard to. I scratch it too much and then dandruff comes out. Dandruff. Yeah, I don't know. I think I put soap on it and thought it was dandruff. Damn. I don't do that. Asexual by choice. Not true. Can't be asexual by choice. Medicals, I mean. I hate ads so much. Did you know, or I heard this fact from randomly. I don't actually know if it's true, but apparently corn is actually something that gives you less stimulus for sex and stuff, or lets you be less horny. So any simps out there, eat corn, stop jerking off. Eat tons and tons of corn. It's not for that reason. It's not something you actually want to eat. You just chew on it and it feels good. Like, you feel like you're being healthy. It technically isn't that healthy, actually. Think about it, it's getting rid of your hormones. It's not really that good, because hormones can give you strength, too. So, yeah. Drink and eat corn. Shit, why do I keep doing that? Sorry. Okay. Smooth jazz. Smooth jazz. I couldn't snap before as a young child. Everyone else was snapping around me. I clapped every time we had to do those kind of things. Like, there was these games we had to do as children. Imagine it, since your eyes are closed, think about it. I was at a desk, like we were all sitting on desks. That was my idea, like I'm pretty smart when it comes to that idea. And then, we were all sitting on desks and just throwing each other the ball. But the way we would do it, the one person would just get handed the ball, and then everyone snapped to throw the ball at them, and then you give it. So you throw it, the guy with the ball would throw it at the person who snapped the loudest, and then you just keep doing that over and over. And I had to clap, or like do the silent snapping. I'm not actually snapping, but just copying. So I just copied the noise of someone else snapping, and they thought it was me. So yeah, pretty good at copying too. That game was tough. And we got handed the ball like 3 times and dropped it once. Yeah, can't snap. We never played that game again, by the way. Only once. And then after that, we had gym upstairs, but we were upstairs. assumed since the gym was being done to, it was being fucked and being, I don't know what happened. Couldn't go to the gym. So we just did that. Nowadays, people got lazy. When we don't have gym place, we go somewhere else. I mean, not like we go somewhere. We just stay inside and just everyone talk. And that's bullshit, man. I want to do stuff in gym. I want to fucking have fun. Do this shit. Get me excited. I just lazily say, okay, just go on your phones and talk to people. Fuck you, dicker. Get us some attention, right? Think of something, you dick. I got no passion. I have tons of passion. Not just when you should have passion, when you should have passion. Or not, I can't tell you what to do. Not your father, your mother. Not your mother. That's what fathers be doing. You got a father like that? Tell me to. I'm gonna read every single comment, by the way. If there is any comments, I'm gonna read them all. Just wanna. Just thought about Adventure Time. Did I talk about it? No, you probably watched it. If you didn't, go watch it, dick. Sorry. And it's on Amazon Prime. I watched the entire show, not on Amazon Prime actually. I watched it legally. I'm not telling the sites. It will get more crowded and more ads will pop up. I need it. No site. Go pay for. Go ask your parent. Get your Amazon Prime, the subscription to whatever show it is. We just get it on Hulu. I'm pretty sure there's no ads when you watch Adventure Time or a regular show. So you can watch those too, with no ads. Either to Hulu or Amazon Prime. It should be on Netflix. That's it. I don't have any further thoughts. This should be on Netflix. Now, I gotta tell you, I'm getting sleepy. Getting real sleepy. I did say a bit of last dream story. I'll save the last for later. But how about just a regular story, I guess? So I'm gonna end this in a few. Well, it's a bit of time, so let me think of one. Yeah, my sentence, I wasn't thinking, I don't think often. But I think once I need to start to see not thinking, not caring about those feelings, don't worry. Very thoughtful. Don't worry. Embarrassing story? Alright, you want? I got so many, but they're so short because they just lasted seconds, and I just scarred for my entire life. I hate love stories, man. Not because I'm asexual, I just don't like them. I think they're cheesy. I love manga. Romance manga. I hate love stories. It's weird. Contradicts it, but I just do that. Still thinking. Still just stalling. I can't remember a lot of my life, can I? All the things I can remember, sure. I'm gonna end it soon, so I guess a short story would be. Okay, so when I was like a tiny little wee lad, about like maybe 4 or 5, maybe 7 actually, I love to do parkour. I tried it, I failed. Tried it, I failed. I used to fight my brother, like, it was not like a angry fight, but I always had to hold back because I didn't want to punch him in the face because he'd get angry and start going through it. So I'd have to like get body shots all the time. Body shot. I never wanted to fight, but he wanted to fight for some reason. Anyway, that's why I was a bit out for a bit, I guess. Where sometimes I could actually keep up with everyone in my school when I was doing the whole jogging at elementary school. We did laps. The teacher would get one laps. We were bald. My friend didn't like him. I didn't care about him. You made us run laps anytime he got angry at us. That sucked. Anyway, this all correlates to how I can kind of do athletic things. This one time I tried my best. I ran full force at a thing. I tried to parkour. Okay, giving you an example. There was this object I was running towards. It was next to my bed. I was running full force from a place. It doesn't really matter where the place is. It can be anywhere. But I ran full force and I jumped. I tried to land on it, missed immediately and fell. I wish I would. I didn't. Amazing, right? Child tried to do parkour. Soft out. Yeah, it's on a hard surface. I've been doing it for good. But I'd probably actually plan on the window or something. I was next to it. Probably using if you don't know the layout. Well, I'm not gonna tell you, so sorry. Anyway, welcome